Hi friends, in this video I will be checking the height of Wakefit Orthopedic Mattress. Here I am using 10-inch bed. This is queen size 78 into 16 into 10 inches. This is a double bed mattress. Let me measure the height. I will be measuring height from different sides. See, it shows around 24 centimeter. So let me measure height from another side. So here you can see, here also it shows around 24. Yeah, let me measure another side. So here also it shows 24. I will again show you height after 1 or 2 months use. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.